Let's make a kissing pleating, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful kissing pleating. Basically just the kissing pleating part, not the entire gown. Stay tuned. So guys, like I said, not the entire gown, and here I've already cut out the half length of the gown. Here is the back and as well as the front. I've already cut everything out and I'll go ahead and show it. So like I said, this is just a tutorial on kissing pleating. So you can see here I have the band, the half length and everything. I'll go ahead and sew that. So here is the material, the part I'll be using for the kissing pleating. It is 2 yards and you want to ensure that the length is as well match your gown length that you're aiming for. So I'll go ahead and hem the down part. I'll go ahead and hem it all around before we start with the kissing pleating. So guys, here is it. Like I said, this is not a tutorial on how to make a gown or something. So here I've already fixed my my lining to the fabric. Everything is set. My half length is set. I've already joined the front and back pattern together, and here I'll just be showing you how the kissing pleating is being made. So what you want to do is that you want to place your right side facing each other, just the way you can see on the screen. I'll go ahead and pin that down. So I'll pin that down. The next thing is that you move it upward. Like this is what I'm doing. You move it inward like so. You're going to pin it. So basically what is the meaning? The kissing thing is the fact that the pleating are meeting in front, like they are touching. So here you want to make sure that the next pleat you'll be making, it will be inward and it will be matching, it will be touching the first one you make in the front. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Like then I will go ahead and pin it like so. So what you want to do is that the first thing you push it, so it will be kissing it at the both front and back. You see that the next one I'll be folding is also be touching the previous one I made. You can see the way it's looking, so it'll be looking like a box. So I think some people call it box pleat, yes, but the normal name Nigeria call it kissing pleating. So I'm going to pin that down, and the next one I'll be doing is that I'll be folding it inward, ensuring that it's touching in front as well. So yes, like you can see, I'll go ahead and pin that, and that is what you do all through the fabric until it is finished, and you'll be having your beautiful box pleat slash kissing pleating. You can see how it's looking here. You can see the way the pleating are being like that, touching each other. So that is what is kissing inside the kissing pleating. Yes guys, so that's all for today. Yeah, you can see how it turned out. This is just a casual wear, just a short, not even short, a 3/4 casual wear for someone. So yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye.